Hey guys, I'm very sorry, but today I'll be showing you my slime. This one's 1, this one's 2, this one's 3, this one's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 slimes. And today we'll see. That was so short. I gotta open these slimes now and play with them. And I don't have an editor. We're trying to get to 10 million views and a lot of comments. So you guys can free to send me fan mail and stuff like that. But I guess no one wants to send me fan mail. Because I have no friends. Whoa, we need to go to the bathroom, man. It's right over there. Hey, George, you have your spoon with me? Yeah, of course, Jen. I have this to shoot you with. Whoa, calm down. What kind of slime is this? It keeps on farting everywhere. Jeff, get the sweeper. Go in to New Jersey to get him up. Okay, Mom. See you later. I don't want to play with these special slimes. I'm afraid. Ooh. Cringe. Guys, did I scare you? I'll scare you now. Actually, if I didn't scare you, drop a like on this video. And comment down below. We're trying to get a lot of comments and send me fan mail, please. I'm gonna die soon without fan mail. Well, I don't need fan mail, but I just want to stick it on this wall right here because it's looking a bit plain. This pink wall. Sorry for the background. We're not going to play with these two, but I'm not going to play. You'll see me play with these next time. Bye! I hope you guys had an amazing weekend and school days. Bye!